So guys, my name is Kamkhela go by the name of FX Ancestors. I'm going to explain how I am able to catch USDT, how I'm able to catch USDT each and every time. So if you can just check your price, if you can just check here, we're moving in a downtrend, it's in a bearish trend. We're moving in a corrective nature here. So this structure, we call it an ascending, descending structure. So we are busy creating lower low and lower high, lower low and lower high, lower low, and then we expect to create a new lower high. So if you can just check here, we have a first touch, second touch, and a third touch. After a third touch, is you're able to catch looking for buying opportunity on the US30 only. So here we have one resistance, a first touch and a second touch. So anticipating a price to push until this level here, or anticipating the price to push until this level here. So we're going to look how it react when it comes here, or how it react when it comes here, so that we can maybe push to the downside. So here we're still on a daily time frame, guys. If you can just check what I like on a daily time frame, you can go on a weekly time frame so that we can see what's happening on a weekly time frame. So on a weekly time frame, we see that we have this zone here, this support zone. So price came, break it, break this level here, previous higher, break, came back to retest here, retesting in a corrective nature. Here we have an impulsive phase, and here we have a correction here. Here we have a corrective phase here. This is a corrective phase here. So the price, what I'm looking for, I'm looking price to shoot to the upside on a daily term, in a weekly time frame. So going back to a daily time frame, going back on a daily time frame, raise this one. Going back to a daily time frame, we see that we have a descending structure here. We have a descending structure here, have this structure here. So what I'm looking for next 100 is to what I'm looking for here, static guys, is to continue shooting, looking for buys opportunity only. So let us jump straight to the 4 hour. On 4 hour, guys, you see that this was an structure, this was an impulsive here, and then we started to move in a corrective phase here when approaching that a daily structure, that a daily support trend line, that the daily support trend line. And what like I see here, what I like is that this one, I like this reversal pattern, they call it inverse head and shoulder. So the price it give us this inverse and head and shoulder, and the price it give us this corrective, it show that it losing a momentum to push to the downside. The sellers that losing a momentum, so the buyers take care, take care for buying opportunities. So now we're in a buying opportunity. You can just check here. If I extend this trend line here, you can see that the price came to break, come back to retest to give us an inverted shoulder and continue to the upside on a 4 hour time frame. So on a 4 hour time frame, what I'm gonna look, I'm anticipating the price to push until somewhere around there, somewhere around there, somewhere around there, so that I can see what if it break here, maybe come to retest, I'll take it further to go to the upside. So let us go to for 1 minute. On 1 minute, how I catch these buys. Yeah, catch this buys if you can just check here, because of guys, most of time when we move, we have a 3 phases in forex trading, which is an impulse, correction, and impulse. So here we're moving in a corrective phase here, impulsive phase, and then we started to correct here, and now we're in an impulsive phase. So for us to enter, we are not going to enter on impulsive phase. We are enter in a corrective phase. So we're going to look this pattern before we take a trade to continue to the upside. So most of the time when we take a trade on and a structure, a continuation pattern. We don't take a trade on impulsive phase, because of when you take a trade in impulsive phase, it can turn where you entered and then blow your account and start to go to a direction. So it's either we take a risk entry or a reduced entry on the structure. So once the market open, I'm gonna look for that pattern. If I see that pattern, I'm gonna take it to go to the upside, and then my target's gonna be somewhere around here, which is gonna be 1:5 ratio. Nice, gonna be 1:5 ratio. So guys, I like so guys please guys, make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Make sure that each and every time, guys, uh, you subscribe my YouTube channel, so that each and every time when I upload each and information, you can get a notification. Thank you.